I'm Miss Byrd, and this is Freddie the Frog. Hi, kids! Together we do letters and sounds, attaining academic success while having fun. Oh yeah, you can join us from A to Z, or you can just hop right in. We are perfect for you kindergarten and first graders. Today, we're doing our letter Z. You can get your worksheets at homeschoolbyrd.com. That's Byrd with a Y. And be sure and give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Yeah. And ring the bell. And we always like to start out with a song. Our favorite is Ziminy. Dun, dun, dun. Join us, kids. Dun, dun, let's go. Ziminy Z. Yeah, Ziminy Z. Yes, indeed, it's such a marvelous day. Oh, yay, plenty of fun times coming our way. Ziminy Z. Yeah, Ziminy Z. Oh, yay. Oh, wonderful. I love having some little songs and just fun times. And I gotta go. Oh, Freddie, he wants to get the worksheet. Oh, here he goes. Oh, Freddie's just like you. He's little guy. He's learning the letters, the alphabet, the sounds. Yeah, he's learning to write, and he's like the best helper. Oh yeah, he's always working so hard. Oh yeah. But this is our new letter Z today. We have to hold ours up like this. But you kids can put it down on your desk or table. But we have to hold it up so you could see it. Yeah, well, hard it is, huh? Yeah, but he's a hard-working frog. Yeah. And this is a letter Z, but we're still learning the letters. Freddie, can you point to the pictures? Yeah. Oh, that first one right there is a picture of a zoo, and you can see the giraffe and the monkey and the gate to the zoo. Oh, yeah. And that one's a zipper. Z's a zipper. And, oh, there's a picture of a little giraffe. Yeah, it's right there. Oh. And the first thing we always do when we do our letters is we do the letter lines. We always start with, oh, he's pointing to it. Yeah, that's a green grass bottom line, the red dot middle line, and the blue sky top line. But we always like to start with the green grass line. Yeah. On the count of 3, everybody hold me up a green crayon. 1, 2, 3. Hold it up. Good. Freddie and kids, point to the green arrow right here. And then with your crayon, make a green grass bottom line all the way across to the other green arrow. Lift. Very nice. Next, on the count of 3, hold it up. 1, 2, 3. Red crayon up. Good. And Freddie and kids, point to the red arrow right there. That's it. You got it. And make a red dotted line all the way across. Very nice. Keep going. Follow that line. It's a little harder. Lift. Good. And next, on the count of 3, hold up a blue sky top line. 1, 2, 3. Blue crayon up. Okay. Oh, yeah. Freddie's already pointing. Kids, point to the blue arrow with Freddie right here. Hey, kids. And now trace the blue sky top line all the way across to the blue arrow. Lift. Kids, you did it. You did the letter lines. Oh, it's good. The green grass line, red dotted line, and the blue sky top line. And, oh, there he goes. Freddie, could you bring that back? Next, we're going to make our house, our letter house. And you could start here with this little teeny itty bitty house right there. Yeah. And you go straight up and over and another side of the roof and back down. That's the house. But we also have a basement. Go underground and across the basement floor and then up again. There you go. You made our letter house. Now, Freddie he loves making the letter house. It's on our website. It's part of the whole A to Z worksheets. You need some help? Yeah. Okay. There you go, Freddie. I know, he's a hard-working little frog. Yeah. Now here's the letter house, but it's just made as a little house. And this part right down here is the downstairs. And you could see the table and cooking area. But if I go up the stairs, yeah, thank you, Freddie. You have the upstairs, and you see 2 bedrooms. And, oh, you're going back down the stairs to downstairs. But there's something underneath the house, right there. Go down those stairs. And this is the basement. We always like to say it with a deep voice because it's underground. Basement. And underground in the basement, you might have some workout equipment. There's the workout equipment. And there's a bicycle, my favorite workout. And boxes. I wonder what's in those boxes. And so this is way underground in the basement. So let's go back up those steps. And now we back to the downstairs. Okay, you went upstairs now, and upstairs. Good. So upstairs, downstairs, and basement. Yeah. I guess you're ready to go with the letter. I think you're tired today. Yeah, I'll help. Oh, thanks. There you go. So you could see the letter house. Let's go ahead and make that. Let's build it and make it with a brown crayon. 1, 2, 3, brown crayon up. That's good. That's okay. That's good. Start here at the little itty bitty teeny tiny brown house and go straight up that line. Oops. Straighter than mine. And I'm stop here, and then you're going to make the side of the roof past the chimney. There's a tippy top of the roof. And now the other side of the roof. Good. And then go straight down that wall. Straighter than mine. Stop. And now go under the basement. Underground, past the green grass line. The bottom of the basement floor. And then back up to the little itty bitty tiny house. Lift. That's good. Yeah. Did you want some grass, Freddie? Yeah. Okay, we'll make some grass. He's already pointing to it. Now, outside of the house, go ahead and make a little more grass over here. He's pointing to it. Yep, here we go. Nice. Good. And up on the other side is some more grass you can make. And like I said, you guys probably make better grass than me. Wow, our letter house is looking nice. Yeah. Next, we want to make the letter Z. The name of the letter is Z. The sound of the letter is Z. It tickles my lips. The name of the letter is Z. The sound of the letter is Z. Kind of feels funny. Yeah. There it is. He sees it. This is the uppercase big letter Z. Z. And Freddie already wants to try. He already pointed to it. Kids, can you find where X marks the spot is on this uppercase big letter Z with Freddie? He found it. Yeah. Up here. So we always like to start with a beautiful sunshine yellow crayon. 1, 2, 3, yellow up. Good. And start at X marks the spot right here. Go across this way. Make a big slanty line all the way down. And then across on the green line. Lift. Kids, you just made an uppercase big letter Z. Z. Very nice. And next we like to use orange. On the count of 3, orange up. 1, 2, 3, orange up. Good. And start again at, always pointing to it, kids. X marks the spot. Go across. Big slant line all the way to the bottom, green grass line. And across again. Woo! This is a big letter. Yeah. Next, it's Freddie's favorite. Green. That's good. Yeah, I know you love green. You know, green frogs. Yeah. X marks the spot. Go all the way across. Big slanted line to the green grass line. And across again. Lift. Kids, you made it. Uppercase big letter Z. Z. Yeah. Now this is the big letter uppercase Z. Z. But this is the little letter lowercase Z. Z. Good. Kids, can you find where the X marks the spot is to make the lowercase little letter Z. Yeah. With Freddie, everybody find it. Got it. You found it! Yeah. Thanks for holding it. Okay. So, I can't do this without him holding it. Yeah. So, go ahead on count of 3, yellow up. 1, 2, 3, yellow up. Good. Start at X marks the spot here. Go across a short slant line down, and then across again. You did it. Lowercase little letter Z. Z. Yeah. Next, I want to see orange. 1, 2, 3, orange up. Good. Start at X marks the spot for the little letter. Cross, slant. Whoops, I messed up. Slant and across. There you got it. We're all learning. It's okay. I can make mistakes. And I count of 3. Hold it up. Green. Ah, good, good. Yeah, I know. Your favorite. 1, 2, 3. Green crayon up. Oh, so good. I know. You'd have all the letters green, I think, if you could. Yeah. Okay, start at X marks the spot. Across, slant, and across. Oh, it's good. Oh, kids, this is beautiful and wonderful. I love it. This Z is so fun to make. So, kids, on this big letter uppercase Z, is it upstairs? Yeah. Do it with Freddie. Is it downstairs? Yeah. Is the uppercase big letter Z in the basement? No. No, it's not. Let's go over to the little letter. This is your lowercase little letter Z. Z. Is it upstairs? No. Is it downstairs? Yeah. Is it in the basement? No. You're right. This is great. So this one, big uppercase big letter Z, upstairs, downstairs. Little letter, lowercase Z, Z, is only downstairs. Everybody, we want to see your beautiful work. Could you hold it up and Freddie will take a look at it? 1, 2, 3, hold it up. Oh, so nice. Look at that. Good, 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 good. Really nice. Hi, kids. Ah, so nice to see you. Oh, okay, gotta go. Hi. Freddie, he loves kids. Hi, kids. Yeah, I can see that. And and so we have our uppercase big letter Z, lowercase little letter Z, but we have to do the sound of Z. Z. So, kids, I want you to do it with Freddie. I'll say the name of the letter and the sound, Z, Z, and you say it with Freddie. Okay, ready? Yeah. Ready. Z, 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 Z. Good. Z, Z. Z, Z. You're working on it. Z, 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 Z. Woo, it's a hard one, huh? Z, 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 Z. Oh, that was better. Ha, thank you. It's a hard. Let's try it one more time, okay? Because it's a hard one. Z, 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 Z. Oh, that was the best so far. Thank you. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, we got to do the pictures. Oh, yeah. There's a zoo, and it's Z, 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 zoo. Ah. Z, Z, zipper. Uh-huh. Z, Z, zebra. Each of these words start with a Z sound of Z, and they both all start with the letter Z. Ready? Do it again, Freddie. Okay. Z, Z, zoo. Got it. Z, Z, zipper. Z, Z, zebra. Got it. Wow, this is very fun. Oh, Freddie. Oh, I don't want to do. Oh, we still have letters to do. Ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, so this is we're going to go. We just did Z right now. So we get to go from A to Z for the very first time. So go ahead and we'll start with A all the way through. I know you kids practice this every time we do this. This is great. So ready? Yeah. Okay, here we go. A, 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 B, 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 C, 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 D, 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 E, 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 G, 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 H, 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 I, I, where am I going? K, 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 L, 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 that was good. M, M, N, N, O, make a circle with your mouth. Ah, O, ah, good. P, 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 Q, 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 R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 U, U, V, 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 W, 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 X, 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 Y, 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 Z, 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 Z. Ah! I did it! I did it! Oh, you did do it, Freddie. Oh, did such a good job. You went from A to Z the whole way. Let's practice Z because that was our new one today a couple of times. Okay, ready? Z, 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 Z. Freddie, come back up here. Are you okay? Yeah. Oh, he's a hard-working frog. We've gone from A to Z. We've done each and every letter, uppercase, lowercase, written it a couple of times. And you guys are doing so good. Oh, thank you. But we want to practice these too. We get to have fun because, Freddie, because you can rainbow write these more colors. So if I wanted to add red to the Z, I start at X marks the spot. I color it this way, go down, yeah, that way, yeah. And the more I color with it, I want to make more green, huh, Freddie? Yeah. X marks the spot, go more. And the more I rainbow write it, the more beautiful it gets. Oh, that's good. I want to do more yellow. Yeah. X marks the spot, across. Oh, the more I do, the more beautiful it gets. It's wonderful. Oh. So kids, I don't want to leave. I so enjoy seeing you. But I know we're going to have more things to do. We have new reading books coming up. Learn to read. I can't wait to see you for that too. Okay, it's good. And we always like to end with a song. Our favorite, as you know, is Ziminy. Come on, kids. Let's go. Ziminy Z. Yeah, Ziminy Z. So nice seeing you. A marvelous day. Oh, yeah. See you next time. We get to play all the day.